Welcome to Iseo, a charming jewel nestled along the picturesque shores of Lake Iseo in northern Italy's stunning Lombardy region. In this 4K tour, we'll stroll its medieval center, explore the scenic Lakeside Promenade, sample delicious local cuisine, and uncover the best times to visit. Located conveniently between the bustling cities of Bergamo and Brescia, Iseo offers visitors the perfect blend of relaxing lakeside charm and dynamic town life. From Milan, it's an easy day trip, less than an hour and a half away, making it an ideal getaway for travelers craving nature and culture. Here you can experience a lively atmosphere without tourist traps and enjoy outdoor adventures like hiking, biking, sailing, or swimming. Historic Center. As our tour begins in the heart of Iseo, you'll immediately notice the medieval village layout that the town has preserved over centuries. Narrow cobbled lanes wind between old stone buildings and tower houses, leading you to little squares and arcaded streets. The town's main hub is Piazza Garibaldi, an inviting, irregularly shaped square lined with porticoed walkways and lively cafes. In the center, you can spot the statue of Giuseppe Garibaldi, the Italian hero, perched atop a large mossy rock, keeping watch over the piazza's daily life. This is truly the community's living room. On Friday mornings, the square bursts into a bustling open-air market, the largest weekly market in the area, where vendors sell everything from fresh produce and cheeses to clothes and household items. If you're here on a Friday, it's an experience not to miss, blending locals and visitors in a cheerful, authentic scene. From Piazza Garibaldi, explore the tangle of alleys branching outwards. Many streets are pedestrian-only, making it a pleasure to wander. Keep an eye out for faded frescoes on the walls of buildings as you pass, little remnants of centuries past that add character to the town. One picturesque spot is a small old washing basin, lavatoio, tucked in a tiny square where residents once did laundry in bygone days. Every corner of Iseo seems to whisper a bit of history. Lakeside Promenade. No tour of Iseo is complete without walking the recently renewed Lungolago Marconi. The promenade, revamped between 2022 and 2023 with a $2.8 million investment, features a redesigned pathway with cantilevered decks, new benches, and the greenery, all enhancing the connection between town and water. Here, Iseo opens up to panoramic views of Lake Iseo, a vast expanse of blue water surrounded by green mountains. The promenade is lined with benches, lampposts, and flower beds, making it a perfect place to relax and take in the scenery. You'll often see swans and ducks gliding on the water near the small marina where local boats are moored. As you walk along the Lungolago, you might pass the old harbor area and a modern pavilion or two where events are held. Here you can hop on a ferry to Monte Isola or rent a bike to explore on your own. The ferry ride is just 20 minutes and opens up a world of narrow, charming villages, tranquil paths, and a climb up to the sanctuary of Madonna della Carriola, perched at about 600 meters, offering breathtaking views of the lake. Keep an eye out for any local fishermen. Lake Iseo is still fished for its unique sardines and other freshwater fish, and sometimes you can spot traditional fishing boats. The atmosphere on the waterfront is especially magical in the early evening. The lake often mirrors the colors of the sunset, and the lights of Iseo and villages across the water begin to twinkle. So when is the ideal time to experience Iseo's magic? The answer depends on what you're looking for, but here are some pointers. Summer is the high season. Lively, warm, perfect for swimming, lake activities, and outdoor events. It's the busiest time, but still less crowded than other Italian lakes. Spring offers blooming nature, mild weather, and fewer crowds, great for hiking, biking, and a more peaceful vibe. Early autumn, especially September and early October, is one of the best times to visit Iseo. The weather is still mild, the lake remains swimmable, and the summer crowds begin to fade, creating a relaxed atmosphere. The surrounding hills turn golden and red, making it ideal for scenic walks, wine tasting, and enjoying harvest festivals in nearby Franciacorta. Many visitors take a short drive or guided tour from Iseo to visit a Franciacorta winery, where they learn how the wine is made using the traditional method and sample different varieties, often paired with local cheeses or salami. It's a perfect blend of culture and gastronomy. Winter is quiet and off-season. While many places close, the lake becomes serene and atmospheric, ideal for peaceful walks and cozy cafe moments. Now let's talk about what to eat in and around Iseo, because the local cuisine is definitely part of the experience. The town sits at a crossroads of lake and land, so you get a delightful mix of lake fish dishes and hearty Lombard country cooking, all washed down with excellent local wine. Iseo's cuisine blends lake and mountain traditions. Must-try local specialties include sardine di lago, air-dried freshwater fish preserved in oil, tinca al forno, baked tench with herbs and polenta, especially famous in Clusane, and other lake fish like perch and whitefish. Mountain flavors appear too: polenta, cured meats like salame di Monte Isola, rich stews, and cheeses such as taleggio or bagos. For drinks, Franciacorta sparkling wine is a must. Italy's answer to champagne, produced just south of the lake. Enjoy a glass with lake views or visit local wineries. Non-wine options include local craft beers, grappa, or refreshing cocktails like the Hugo or Campari Spritz. And for dessert, try Spritsolona, Franciacorta-infused sorbets, or simply grab a creamy gelato while strolling the lakefront. Evening atmosphere and nightlife. As night falls, Iseo transforms into a charming and lively lakeside town. While it's not known for wild nightlife, its relaxed evening scene is full of charm. Locals and visitors enjoy a passeggiata along the lake or Piazza Garibaldi, often with gelato or aperitivo in hand. Bars and wine lounges offer drinks with lake views. Popular spots include Sucre, Origami, and the lively L'Olandese Volante pub. Some nights feature live music or summer events like open-air concerts and festivals. Iseo does host events throughout the year, which can make the nightlife even more special. In summer, there may be open-air cinema nights, food fairs, or live jazz as part of the Iseo Jazz Festival. Occasionally, you might catch a fireworks show over the water during a festival. Around Christmas, the town has a cozy holiday market and lights reflecting on the lake, offering a totally different but charming vibe, quieter but festive. If you love travel and discovering beautiful places like Iseo, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Every week, I take you to a new destination. Hit that subscribe button and join me on this journey around the world.